Um, Hello everyone. How you all doing? I hope you are doing fine. It's been a while I upload here. Um, I want to appreciate those that have been, sharing the link to their friends and those also encouraging me to, I'll do more and those that shows appreciations on my videos. It has been a kind of hectic week so far for we retail traders in the market. As of Wednesday and Thursday today, market has been kind of unstable, you know. And we keep trying our best to make sure that we come out with flying colors, So I just want to make a quick one on few page to show my comeback to this channel to start uploading as usual. Before I get started, please, if you haven't subscribed, I would like you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new content, you'll be notified. Okay. Here on chat, I have BTC. As of last week, I told my students when I was having a class with them that I am expecting BTC to fill this imbalance here. So this was the imbalance I showed them. And now BTC has filled this imbalance and also creates another one here to be filled. Okay, so I will be expecting BTC to drop to this point here, to this point. So if you are buying or you are thinking of buying BTC, I think you have to watch out for this because price is expected to drop to fill this imbalance here. So we're expecting a sell. I've already made this analysis on my MT4 and I have this screenshot on my phone. And though I didn't share it, I was like, let me watch how it plays. And it's playing out nicely. So I will be looking for a sell entry on BTC and I'm going to sell it. I'm going to sell it down to, let's say I'm going to sell it down to 38,000 here. I'm going to sell it down to 38,383. So I will be expecting BTC to drop to that level of 38,382. So I think if you are already buying or you are thinking of buying, I just want to call your attention here to look out for your trade. Okay. Sorry. If you are an investor also planning to buy BTC to store in your wallet, I think you have to trade with caution, invest with caution. Okay, so here I'm expecting BTC to drop to this level. So another currency pair, another pair I'm looking at is okay. What I'm looking at is AUD USD. Okay, on AUD USD, we have been expecting a sell for a long time now, and price refused to, come to the downside, but it keeps pushing up to the upside. This resistance level here was taken out. This resistance level here was taken out. Okay, and many traders, we are expecting price to react at this level here. So we took our sell and stop loss got hit. Okay, so now currently I see this as a TSS. Okay, what happened here is what is called TSS. It's what is called TSS. Let me use the test bars. Let me use the test bars here. Okay, TSS. So what happened there is what is called TSS. We have the TSS here. So now it went up to the upside to clear the liquidities above. So now we'll be expecting price to start coming to the downside. Okay, so let me make the analysis here. Okay, all right. We make use of our trend line. Okay, so now you will see how price has been, respecting this trend line at this point here, and also at this point also, then finally breaks, pull back to this point, then price hits this point. So that means this trend line here is acting as a major resistance, in a major dynamic resistance. So price has been respecting it. So we're gonna take another TL to this point, which will be acting as the minor resistance. Okay, so here is another one here. So now price has been, respecting this tier here. At this point, price tested this point, respect it, hit this point, respect it, then consolidate and breaks, then come back up for a retest. Now this trend line here is now acting as a resistance. So what happened here? Price spiked to the upside to hit this resistance trend line here. So like I always said, anytime you had loss in the market, always try to figure out what leads to the loss. I was selling at this point here. So price moved to the upside. Price moved to the upside and hit my stop loss. So when I now realized that I went to the wrong side, or I noticed that my analysis was not in line with what the market was doing. So I have to analyze the charts back, and I noticed that there was a resistance here when I plot my trend line to this point. So I have to look for entry and start selling again. Currently I'm selling it, and selling it down to this level here. Okay, all right. Okay, let me get it. I'm selling down to these points. Then my stop loss is a bit above the what is it called? My stop loss is a bit above the resistance. Okay. Yeah. So my stop loss It's above this resistance level here. So I'll be targeting these points. Remember, I'm a swing trader. I swing, I get trade, I scalp. So I swing according to my analysis. I did trade according to my analysis. I scalp according to my analysis. So I'm gonna swing this down to this 69,848. Okay. So remember I told you AUD USD and the NZD USD correlates positively. So I'm expecting a NZD USD also to sell also. I'm expecting they will sell also on AUD USD. So NZD USD and AUD USD, I'm expecting a sell. Okay, guys. So another one is another currency pair I'm looking at is Euro USD. Euro USD. Okay. On Euro USD, I've been bearish on Euro USD on it, and I shared the analysis in the Telegram channel. I shared the analysis in the Telegram channel, and this was the zone I'm expecting Euro USD to get to. This analysis I've made it long ago, and it's still playing out. So this base is where I'm targeting at. So and also I have an imbalance here that needs to be filled. This imbalance here, I expected price to be filled it 100%, then come deep into this zone. All right. So now price is currently a bit halfway filling the FVG. So I'm still bearish on it. And another currency pair that have been, doing so many accounts and traders having different view on it. Some buy, some sell, as GBUSD, and on GBUSD, I am also expecting a sell on GBUSD. This was my analysis long ago. I made this analysis when I went live on Instagram. I showed my followers this analysis. So first of all, price hit this point, then pull back. This was the point price hit, then pull back. Currently, price is consolidating here. So I've been seeing so many analyses, people buying. I saw people selling also. Okay, so I want to make a quick one on it now, and this should be the last one. I want to make a quick one on it. This should be the last one. Okay. All right. On GBPUSD, you see price mitigate this point and move to the upside. So I'm still expecting price to come down deep inside this zone here. All right. I'm expecting price to come down deep inside this zone here before anything buy. Possibly price might likely break it. Okay, price might likely break it. Okay, now let's look at DSY. Let's look at DSY. Let's look at DSY. DSY. Okay. All right. Okay, on DSY, as you can see, DSY has been bullish. DSY has been bullish. So I'm also expecting DSY to get to this point. Let me show you guys. Expecting DSY to get to this point here. So I still remain bullish on DSY. That is to show that dollar remains strong until you get to that zone. So this is to call your attention that tomorrow NFP we might be seeing a kind of price making this move. Price might just pull back a bit to this point, then the strength continues to the upside. Okay, so if you are selling dollar, I will call your attention to look out for your trade, and also trade with caution, because price might likely pull back, then move to the upside of this zone, and likely break the zone, then get to these points here. So watch out for DSY if you are selling dollar. Okay, guys. It's been long I made video here, and due to one or two schedules, I'm kind of busy to do that. So I just say, let me just call you guys attention on this few pairs I just look at now, and also the crypto BTC. If you are thinking of investing, like you want to buy and stock in your wallet, also look at that analysis I just showed you guys. And if you trade it and you want to buy, also look at that analysis I just showed you now. Then if you are selling in dollar, I want you to look at this DSY and take correction. Okay, so guys, I promise I will try my best to start updating you guys as usual, because I got so many testimonies. I see people appreciating the weekly outlooks I normally upload. It helps people grow their accounts, and it helps them make money in the market, and also help people to confirm their analysis and the setup. So I will try my best to start updating you guys every week as usual. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I will likely tell you to subscribe to this channel, and also share the link with your friends. Okay, this channel will be beneficial to them, like they will learn something from it, especially the weekly outlook. It helps so many people to confirm the analysis. So your friends you will share the link with, it will also help them to confirm their analysis. So guys, I'm a bit down, that is why I'm just sounding so tired and weak. Not that I did anything, but this is what I have for you guys. So I wish you guys a successful NFP tomorrow. So I'm trying to tell you now is I'm expecting dollar strength tomorrow. So tomorrow NFP, I will be looking for a buy on dollar. So I'll be looking for a buy on USD SS, and be looking for a sell on SS USD. All right, guys. Thank you, and I wish you guys best of luck.